To learn how I did this project, please visit my blog. The link can be found in the description box below or even this video. In my blog, you can find the whole documentation of this project and an explanation of the codes. Hello everyone, this is Shrukshika Rajkumar from Arduino Projects by R, and today I am back with an interesting project. Sorry that I haven't uploaded in a while. Today in this video I will be presenting you a prototype of my new idea, and this is gonna be a two-dimensional robotic arm controlled by servos, and the movement of this robotic arm is gonna be controlled by the MPU6050 sensor module. For this project, you'll be needing an Arduino Mega 2560 microcontroller board. You could also use an Arduino Uno or an Arduino Nano. It depends on your wish. But if you're using an Arduino Nano or an Arduino Uno, make sure to use an external power supply. You'll be needing two servo motors, because this is a two-dimensional robotic arm, and then you'll be needing the MPU6050 sensor module. You'll also be needing some jumper wires. The MPU6050 sensor module incorporates InventSense, motion fusion, and runtime calibration firmware. It also combines a 3-axis gyroscope, 3-axis accelerometer together with an onboard digital motion processor, also known as DMP, which processes complex 6-axis motion fusion algorithms. This sensor module could also access external magnetometers via the auxiliary I2C bus to provide complete 9-axis motion fusion output. The magnetometers can be connected using this XDA and XCL pin, which means the auxiliary data pin and the auxiliary clock pin. This also uses an onboard temperature sensor, but I wouldn't recommend you to use that sensor module as it's less accurate. This project considers the aircraft principal axis known as the roll, pitch, and yaw. Roll is the movement along the longitudinal axis, and pitch is the movement across the lateral axis. Yaw is the movement across the vertical axis. For this project, we'll be incorporating the roll and pitch movement. We'll be using the measurements given by this sensor module. Now let me show you how this works. If anyone has any questions about this project or any suggestions, please email me at arduinoprojectsbyr@gmail.com. Please do not send me any emails requesting the codes. Thanks for watching. Follow my blog and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated with my latest projects and tutorials. Stay tuned for the next version of this project. Don't forget to comment, like, and share.